Look at this, more kitty footage. Hi, babies. I'm using my other lens now. Probably change the white balance a little bit because it looks a little weird. Hi, kitty. What are you doing up there? Aw. Cute kitties.
They're so cute.
There we go. Switch to white balance. Now it looks better. Hi, kitties. I can't really get too close with this lens. And Tally just pops out of nowhere. Hey, kitty. Hey. Oh, look at the other one's paw. Look at it. Oh, man. Hey, buddy. Hey, kitty, kitty. Oh, they look really cute. Snuggles and Molly. Those are names that Monica's given them. All they'll ever be to me is Kittens. Hey, kitty. I gotta keep focusing on such a low focal range on it. Hi. And Tally pops out of nowhere. Kitty. Oh, look at him. Look, he's actually playing. That's the first time I've seen him actually play.
No, I told you yesterday they were playing.
You better watch the edge there, little guy. Or little girl.
That's a girl.
Yeah, she's pretty smart. She's not even going towards that.
Smarter than Seamus's cat.
Yeah, smarter than Meowgie. It's just 3 weeks old.